Concorde was the closest civilians ever came to flying a spaceship. It could outrun the sun, cross the Atlantic in just 3 hours, and cruise so high passengers could see the curve of the Earth. With its needle nose and delta wings, it looked like the future had arrived. But behind the glamour was a brutal truth. Concorde was an economic disaster. Built by Britain and France during the Cold War, it was meant to prove Europe could rival the US and Soviet Union. And technologically, it succeeded. Concorde flew at Mach 2, twice the speed of sound. Financially, it was a nightmare. Its 4 Olympus engines burned around 450 liters of fuel per minute during takeoff. A transatlantic trip used thousands of gallons. Worse, Concorde used twice as much fuel as a Boeing 747, while carrying only a quarter of the passengers. Then came maintenance. For every hour in the air, Concorde needed roughly 57 hours of servicing. With only 14 aircraft built, spare parts were rare and expensive. Tickets had to cost thousands just to make the numbers work. So why did it fly for 27 years? Because governments had already spent billions developing it. Canceling would mean admitting failure. This became known as the Concorde fallacy, throwing good money after bad because you've already spent so much. British Airways briefly turned Concorde into a luxury icon, but after the 2000 crash, 9/11, and soaring costs, the economics finally collapsed. In 2003, Concorde made its final flight. Supersonic travel didn't fail because it was impossible. It failed because it made no financial sense.